Welcome to STEM Changing Verbs 101. I'm Laura.
And I'm Hiro. And so a number of German verbs undergo a change in the stem vowel in the present tense. And so this only affects the second person singular, du, and the third person singular, er, sie, or es, forms. The other forms, ich, wir, ihr, sie, act just like regular verbs, and in every person, the endings remain the same as for regular verbs. You can't automatically know which is a stem changing verb by the stem or so, but so you just have to memorize what they are. Okay, so one of the first types of stem changing verbs is when the vowel changes from E to I. And so an example is geben, which is to give, and so in the ich form it's gebe. In the du form, gibst. In the as es form, gibt. In the wir form, geben. In the ihr form, gebt. And in the sie form, geben. So as you can see, the two important areas that are affected are the du and as es forms, where instead of gebst or gebt, the e is changed to an I, and so there you have your stem changing verbs. Other e to I change verbs that you will encounter could be essen. Are you going to write all these? It's a lot. Essen, geben, nehmen, sprechen, treffen, vergessen, brechen, helfen, sterben, werfen. Okay, so for our second type of vowel change, stem change from vowel E to IE, we have sehen, which is to see. So for the ich form, it is sehe. For the du form, siehst. For the as es form, sieht. Wir form, sehen. Ihr seht. And sie sehen. And so here again, rather than E to I, it changes from E to IE in the du and as es form. And so instead of du sehst and seht, you have du siehst and sieht. And so, again, you have to memorize these. So verbs you may encounter are lesen, sehen, empfehlen, geschehen, and stehlen. And so other verbs that are similar to sehen that you could find are aussehen und fernsehen. Okay, so for our last segment in stem changing verbs, we have where the vowel changes from A to A with an umlaut. So for this we have fahren, which is to drive, and so we have ich fahre, du fährst, er fährt, sorry, wir fahren, ihr fährt, sie fahren. And as you can see, as you can see, instead of just an A in the du and the S form, we have an A. And other verbs that you may encounter are anfangen, einladen, fahren, halten, laufen, schlafen, tragen, backen, fallen, lassen, schlagen, waschen.